What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of modding Minecraft with Forge. And I say that weird Forge, but we're gonna do covering ore generation today. We're gonna use our ore that we created last episode. If you haven't seen that episode, I'll put a link to the top right corner of this video. But go check that out if you haven't created yourself a block already. Let's jump right into it. Down here in your public void load, you're gonna make a where did I put that? Okay, game registry. I having a hard time typing today. Dot add where is it? Dot register world gen. Let's see, where is that? Register world generator. I'm gonna call this one tut world gen, and oops, put open and close parentheses right there, and just semicolon that off, and you should see the method tut world gen is undefined, or you're gonna go new, my bad, and you should see now create class tut world gen. We're gonna do that, create the class, and okay, yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, so okay, sorry. This caught me off. I'm just gonna do that and remove this, and you should get these all imported right here. You don't need to import anything else, I don't think. Actually, wait a minute. What is that? Oh yeah, you need to still import. What the heck did I just type? Import net.minecraft. Oops. Dot world. I think it's dot gen. Yep. Dot gen. Dot feature. Dot world gen mineable. And yep. Okay. You shouldn't have any errors. And just save that. And in this app override area, you're gonna underneath here. You're gonna put switch. You're gonna make a switch. And then we're going to do a world dot provider dot dimension ID. And oops, the D isn't. Okay, wait a minute. What is wrong with that? Okay, but don't worry about that. And okay, yeah, we just need to create that. And then we're going to do case 0. And then down here we're going to do generate surface world comma random comma chunk x, capitalize the x, times 16. Now do not mess with this number because that's how big the chunk is. Chunk z times 16. Do not mess with either one of these numbers or else you are screwed. So, and then down here we're going to make a break. I'm going to make this break here. And semicolon. Oops. Semicolon. And you should, alright, yeah, we still need to create this method. So, do create method. Never mind, do not do that. That's not the way we want it. But down here we're going to do private void generate surface. I'm going to do a world random. Now copy down this code exactly. And J, and you shouldn't have any issues. Unless I'm like, oops, I think we, oh yeah, okay, never mind. Don't worry about that. Now, okay, now in here, what we're going to do is we're going to create a for loop, and I'll make this x space equals space 0. X is less than, so basically this number here is your the rarity of your ore. That's how many times it's going to try and get it in every chunk. So I want mine to be pretty often. So I'm going to make mine 20 because I want to be able to find it in the debugging stages. So yeah, in here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do int. I'll do rupee or x, int rupee or y, and int rupee or z. And for each one of these, we're gonna do space equals space I plus random dot next int, and then make that number 16. Do not mess with that either. That is crucial. Then we're gonna do space equals space random dot next int, and then this is what you want your what level you want it to spawn at, the top level. I'm gonna make mine 50, so that way I can find it easily. And then for z, we're gonna do space equals space j plus random dot next int. Oops. 16. And don't mess with the 16s. You can edit this right here, the name obviously, and the 20 factor. And then down here, we're gonna do parentheses, do new world gen mineable. That's why we need to import it. And then do in here, we're gonna do tutorial main dot rupee ore. That's basically declaring what ore we are trying to generate. And do dot block ID. And that should be good. And then what we're gonna, oh wait, no, we gotta do comma, and then this is how many you want to spawn in a pack. I'll do 10, so that way we can find 10 in a pack. And then outside of these braces, we're gonna do dot generate. And then here we're gonna do world random, and then in par 3, or we're gonna do rupee or x. Oops. Okay, there we go. Rupee or y, and rupee or z, and then semicolon it off. And you should but a minute, why is that not? I might just have to save it. Let me check this code that I got over here, and I will be right back. Alright, well, I found the issue. It was actually quite simple. This case statement, all you programmers out there were probably getting all pissed off at me, but we gotta put this little colon after the 0, not the case. Yeah, but sorry about that. Now we should be able to actually run it, and it should work. I'm not positive that I've imported everything and done all that, but let's take a look. Do single player. We need to generate a new world, since I'm gonna do tut test or. Why do I always do that? And I'm gonna go into creative. There we go, generate a new world. You can see right here, prepare a spawn area. It's telling you that and stuff like that. And we're gonna find ourselves a cave and see if we can find our ore. Let's check this out. Now yeah, I'm gonna be running like really laggy. I do have my yeah, because I'm recording the with a different software that my computer's not the best with it. So I am at 64 right now. I need to get down to 58. And let's do that. We're gonna get ourselves down pretty low, and where is it? I heard it over here. I hear water. I hear it. Do not fool me, water. I hear you. Oh, there it is. Found it. Yeah. Alright, so down here, there it is right there. We found our ore. There it is right there, rupee ore. So there's proof that it works. And oh, look at that, right next to some diamond. And yep, there we go. So that's how you generate. Look at that, it's everywhere. That's because I set it to spawn every chunk 20 times. About that. So yeah, that's how you generate your own ore. You guys can do that with any ore you want. Now, if you want to generate another ore, you don't put it also in here. You basically just, you want to copy this right here, Control C that, and paste another one, but change like int x and stuff like that. Change all that to like just make this int s or something like that. Just do that all to the ore that you want. That's basically how you just generate multiple ores without generating them right next to each other. So yeah, so there we go. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. It helps me out a lot, and that's what makes me keep doing these videos. I really enjoy doing these videos, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.